Hi everyone, Josh here, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to sell online courses and build a complete membership site literally within just a few minutes. I'm using a brand new software platform that comes with a pre-approved merchant account, a built-in shopping cart, a built-in sales page creator, a beautiful looking members area. It's fully hosted on Amazon, and it's just so simple to use, anybody can do it. So let me build an actual site right now live in front of your eyes, and it's only going to take me a few minutes. And to prove it to you, I'm going to press start on this stopwatch in the bottom right-hand corner, and you're going to see exactly how long it takes me to build a complete website ready to accept orders and sell an online course. So I'm going to press start on the stopwatch here. Now it's started. Now let me go ahead and show you how fast and easy it is. So all I got to do is press create a new membership site. I'm going to call this one a magic training site. That's the name of it. I'm going to go ahead and give it a URL. I'm going to call this one Magic Training Online. I'm going to put in the contact email address, create a username, and a password. Okay, now I'm going to press create, and what the software is doing is it's actually creating an entire membership site ready for me to manage and add my content into it. So it just took a few seconds. It's already done. Now I need to press manage. Right next to it, it's going to log me into the authors area. This is where I get to author and manage the entire membership site. Now, before I do that, let me preview the site and show you what we just did. Here's a preview of inside the members area. As you can see, we have a great looking membership site ready to go, except it's a little blank. We don't have any content or any course or video files uploaded into it yet. So let me show you how easy it is to go ahead and add content. I'm going to go back to manage site. I'm going to follow these 3 steps right here. The first step is to add content. So let me click there. And let me create a brand new course. I'll click create a new course. We'll call this course Magic 101. Give it a description. Learn the best magic tricks online. There we go. And let's go ahead and upload a thumbnail image. Okay, I'm going to press create course. Now let's go ahead and add a section into this course. This section is kind of like a chapter in a book. We'll call it Getting Started. Okay, now it's time for me to add a lesson. So for this example, I'm going to add a video lesson, and I'm going to add a video lesson called Card Trick. And I'm going to give it a summary. Learn how to do a great card trick. All right, next it's time for me to upload a video file. So I'm going to upload my video lesson right there. And I'm going to hit publish. So now we've added one lesson. Let's go ahead and add a couple more just to show you what it looks like. We'll call this one the coin through the table trick. This is a cool video. Okay. Learn how to put a coin through the table. So you can see how easy this is. All you got to do is you give it a title, a description, upload your lesson, and you hit publish. System's fully hosted. We're taking that video, we're going to host it for you just to make the process really, really simple. Let me add one more lesson here, and we're going to call this one the Magic Dollar Trick. That's a really cool video. Okay, so pretty much the same process. Go ahead and upload a video. There it is. And we're going to hit publish. So now we've just created a course. Let's go back and let's finish the next step. As you can see, this one's checked off. It's completely done. The next step is for us to configure our pricing. How do we want to get paid? How much do we want to charge for this content? Now, we have a built-in merchant account. You automatically get pre-approved, and to set it up, it just takes a few seconds. All you got to do is click to enable it. That's going to enable the pre-approved merchant account and turn on the shopping cart tools. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and click on our shopping cart, and let's create a new plan. This is going to be a pricing plan. It's going to allow us to sell access to this content. So we're going to call this the monthly plan. Monthly payment option. And we're going to give it a price of, let's say, $10. $10 every month. I'm going to click Create Plan. So now we've created a custom payment plan. Now let's go back to our site, and there we go. Second step is now done. Let's go ahead and configure our sales page now. You can see we're only 4 minutes in, and the site's pretty much done. All I got to do now is customize my sales page. So I've already written some information. I'm going to use the built-in sales page right here, and I'm going to copy and paste the information that I've already written for the sales page just to save time. All you got to do is you put in stuff like your headline, your sub-headline, you put in about the site. It's all very simple, as you can see. You can customize the colors and a lot more information. You can put in a about the author text right there. If you have any course requirements, you can put that in there. And what I'm doing is I'm running through this process as fast as I can just to show you how simple this really is. Now you can spend more time and you can customize more options, but I'm going to run through it really, really fast. So now on the sales page, we're going to preview or allow people to preview the course. And let's go ahead and upload a sales page video and a sales page thumbnail. We're going to upload those two files now. So that is done. And now we're going to choose which pricing plan we want to display on this sales page, which is that one right there. Okay, we're going to press save, and we're done. So let me stop the timer really quick. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and 14 seconds. I rushed through the process, and let's go ahead and see what we just did. Now, when visitors first come to your membership site, they're going to see the sales page that we just created. Now, since I just uploaded that video, it's being rendered. It should be available in a few minutes. But what we just did is we created a fully working membership site. Here is the text that I pasted in. Here's our call to action with a $10 monthly price plan. Here's the about the owner, about the site. Here is the preview of the videos that they get access to once they pay. Here's the course requirements. And here's the Gain Access Now button. Now, if they click on the Gain Access Now button, it's going to take them to the built-in shopping cart. So once again, here is your shopping cart page. They would fill out this information with their credit card information, and they would pay you the $10, and they would get gain access into the private members area where they could access that content. Speaking of the content, let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. So now I'm logged into the back end or the members area. Here is the course that we just uploaded, Magic 101. If I mouse over it, I can start the course. Here's our section 1 getting started. Here's lesson 1, lesson 2, and lesson 3. These are all the lessons that I just put in. If we click view lesson, it's going to take us to that video lesson that we uploaded. And as the page loads, you'll see a video player that shows up right here. So here we go. We can press play. We could watch this video right now.
Which one of you wants to take the card?
There we go. There's the video. Over on the downloads tab, your users can download your content if you enable it. They can also take notes on your content. So as you can see, what we just did is we built an entire membership site that fast with a sales page, with a course. It also has a built-in contact page right here, so members can contact you if needed. And we did that literally within 5 minutes. Now that is some pretty powerful stuff. So what did we just do? Number one, we created a fully hosted membership site within minutes. Number two, we created an online video course with 3 video lessons. 3, we enabled the pre-approved merchant account with 1 click, and we turned on the built-in shopping cart. 4, we created a pricing plan, and 5, we built a fully working sales page. We literally built an entire business in a box in less than 6 minutes. Now you're probably wondering, but can this software do more? Yes, you can do much, much more. You can do things like customize the colors. You can change the branding, upload your own logos, images, banners. You can add a custom members welcome video. So when members log into the membership site, they see a custom welcome video. 4, you can customize the URL with your own domain name. You can basically white label your entire membership site with your own URL. You can add different page types, whether it's blog posts, lessons. You can even create custom tabs. You can drip content, change the pricing options. You can do monthlies, yearlies, trials, and so on, one-time offers. You can even create membership levels. Number 7, you can use PayPal, Authorize.net, and other payment options. Number 8, you can integrate third-party autoresponder services like GetResponse, MailChimp, Infusionsoft, and so on. Number 9, you can upload audio files, PDFs, worksheets. You can embed documents and do much, much more. Number 10, you can use a custom sales page. And 11, you can do so much more than what I showed you. I just showed you the very basics, and I ran through it very fast to prove to you that you can do this in less than 6 minutes. It only took me 5 minutes and 14 seconds. And there was no programmer needed. There was no complicated plugins to install or configure. There was no graphic designer needed, no expensive copywriter to hire. The sales page was a simple fill-in-the-blank system, and it didn't take weeks or months to complete. This is the easiest, fastest way to sell online courses on the net, hands down.